We'll guide you through how to connect external speakers to a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. External speakers can go and be much higher quality than the built-in speakers on a monitor or a laptop. So we're going to guide you through connecting these properly. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. You can go and see I've got a speaker each side of my laptop. So these speakers actually go and have a dedicated power supply. So I've just got it plugged in just here, as you can see. Now, what you need to do is I'm going to go and grab the connection cable, which is this here. So this needs to go and plug into the sound output on your laptop or computer. So what you need to do is go and find the audio jack on your laptop or computer. On a laptop, it's going to be on one of the sides. On a computer, you're going to go and find it either on the front of it or the back of it. Just make sure you go and plug it on the right one on a computer, because there's often a microphone one as well. On a laptop, there's usually only one, as you can see, and it's got a little headphone icon. The same will be on a computer. So you want to go and plug it in like that. Make sure it goes and clicks in. You need to go and plug it in quite firmly. If you don't do it firmly enough, it won't go and be detected. Now, what you then need to do is make sure they're turned on. So for example, this one here, you actually have to go and twist round. You hear it click and it lights up, and you can then go and set the volume you want it to be. Then what we need to do is go and set the output for the computer to go and output through to the speakers. So what you can do is you can go and head to the bottom right here and go and find the sound icon and right click on it and press sound settings. They'll then open up, or you can come and open your settings, press system and find sound, and then you can go and select them. So they're actually coming up as headphones here, that's fine. What you can then do is try playing some sound, and that should then go and be working. I'm just clicking here as it makes a little sound effect, and that's it. We've now successfully gone and connected them. Of course, you can go and control the sound here and on the speakers as well. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with another how-to. We publish guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. Have a great day, and if you've got any video suggestions, feel free to put them down below, and I look forward to going and reading through them.